Come on, you're on camera, you fucking.
Bouncing.
Oh, Mahi bouncing.
Oh, he came off, did it? No, he's still there.
Oh,
Hold on.
oh, shit.
No. Keep hanging down. Yeah. Get ready to gap him. Get. Hurry up, he's in. They're here. Wait, no. Oh, engine. Turn it on.
Neutral.
Open the bag. Oh. Now we really watch his teeth breathe. Oh. That fucker.
Tiger, huh? Tiger stripes.
What happened? Oh, the lines are all tangled?
This one isn't.
Try.
Yeah, it's that one. Oh, fuck. I want to get shredded up.
That's why I was like, oh shit. I was watching that line. I didn't see this line.
Okay, right the fire.
That's a good size one, huh? Don't worry, Kyle. After we get going enough, look at those fucking teeth. Now we totally have a mixed blade.
There you go. Oh, it's a good little soft toss. Oh, yeah. There's that one to your left.
Oh, they're not going. Oh, okay. Oh, I caught the lure. This one?
So he has double strike.
He just hit it and didn't even fucking.
He just ripped it right off, huh?
Yeah. I know I saw it go pack. I'm like, I hope this one. It didn't.
Is that a good lure?
Yeah, I mean, like if we found off, we would have put off. Like I don't have any small.
Oh, we don't have any more small. Yeah, when I caught the aqua, watch out, watch the swing. When I caught the baby aqua with this one. So I mean, we're still catching aqua.
Yeah, no, I mean, no, I mean, like, we only lost one. Can we grab him? No, I got him. He's dead! No, I'll get him, baby.
I don't know where it is. How far did we go?
Right back. What? Try open a bucket, I mean a cooler. Here, throw this one into Chris. And then try my stuff up. Open. Oh, I got the line on top of your foot. Oh, wait. Oh, don't worry, that's fine. I know. That's fine. Now wash it from the front where like in here. Just right, like hit the cooler in the front. Just so. The owners are super spicy. What?
There's so much blood on here, so I just rinsed it.
Yeah, that's fine though. It's not in the food.
It's still dry.
Put it in. Put it in the cooler.
Bro, there's no room in the cooler.
There it is.
You just eat it.
Break open a bag of ice, Brina. Oh, what? Where's no? That's so funny. We were kind of like crying about not catching fish. And then now we're catching, we're like, fucking onos, fucking mahis, fucking
screwing up the reels and the line.
fucking everything up. That's $20, that's like a $30 lure.
Well, fuck, you better.
But I don't even think we even got a relay, it just yanked it,
Yeah.
one time.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, I just popped it.
Wait, don't. Alright, don't. I'll do that.
I just did one. I just did one because it wasn't fitting. Oh no!
Okay, time out.
Bro, this water looks so cool.
This is like dream.
Right? Yeah, we don't need to watch Kanoa put the thing on.